Dear students, in the last class, we have already studied properties of addition of rational numbers. So today, we are going to start properties of subtraction and multiplication of rational numbers. Subtraction of fractional numbers. Example, 8 upon 9 minus 5 upon 9. When we have to subtract 5 upon 9 from 8 upon 9, we add the additive inverse of 5 upon 9 to 8 upon 9. Thus, 8 upon 9 minus 5 upon 9 equals to 8 upon 9 plus minus of 5 upon 9. Subtraction is rational number is addition of additive inverse. So now let's subtract. As denominators is same, we can easily subtract the numerators. So 8 minus 5 upon 9, which is equals to 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 upon 9. Is it in the standard form? No. As 3 and 9 goes in the common table of 3, we can easily reduce it. So 3 ones are 3, 3s are 9. So answer comes to be 1 upon 3. Properties of subtraction. First property, closure property. If a upon b and c upon d are two rational numbers, then a upon b minus c upon d is always a rational number. This is the property of closure property of subtraction. So let's start with example. Find 3 upon 11 minus 7 upon 8. Your LCM of 8 and 11 is 88. So let's multiply the first term, that 3 upon 11 by 8 and 7 upon 8 by 11. So 3 into 8 upon 11 into 8 minus 7 into 11 upon 8 into 11. So 3 8s are 24 upon 88 minus 77 upon 88. So 24 minus 77 is minus 53 upon 88. Commutative property. If a upon b and c upon d are two rational numbers, then a upon b minus c upon d is not equal to c upon d minus a upon b. So let's check with the example. So example goes here. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 equals to 1 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. So let's check with LHS and RHS. So LHS equals to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. Here the denominator is same, so we can easily subtract the numerator. So 3 minus 1 upon 4, which is equals to 2 upon 4. So let's convert it in the standard form. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4. So answer comes to be 1 upon 2. Now let's check with RHS. RHS equals to 1 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. Again here the denominator is same, so we can easily subtract the numerator. So 1 minus 3 upon 4, which comes to be minus 2 upon 4. So 2 ones are 2, 4s are. So minus 1 upon 2. So in LHS we got answer 1 upon 2. In RHS we got answer minus 1 upon 2. Are they same? No. Hence LHS is not equal to RHS. Rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction. The third property, associative property. If a upon b, c upon d and e upon f are three rational numbers, then in the bracket a upon b minus c upon d bracket close minus e upon f, it's not equal to a upon b minus bracket c upon d minus c upon f bracket close. So let's check with the example. The example goes here. Find in the bracket 3 upon 8 minus 2 upon 4 minus 1 upon 16 equals to 3 upon 8 minus bracket 2 upon 4 minus 1 upon 16. So let's check with LHS and RHS. LHS equals to in the bracket 3 upon 8 minus 2 upon 4 minus 1 upon 16. So let's solve the bracket first. So 8 and here it is 4. Is the LCM same? Denominators are not same. So we need to take either LCM or do cross multiplication. So here the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So I need to multiply 2 upon 4 by 2. So 3 upon 8 minus, here I have to multiply by 2. So 2 into 2 upon 4 into 2 to make the denominator same, that is 8. And minus 1 upon 16 as it is. So 3 upon 8 minus 4 upon 8 minus 1 upon 16. Now I got the denominator same, so I can easily subtract the numerator. So 3 minus 4, that is minus 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 16. Now again here 8 and 16, here the denominator is not same, and the LCM of 8 and 16 is 16. So I need to multiply minus 1 upon 8 by 2. So let's multiply. Minus 1 into 2 upon 8 into 2 minus 1 upon 16. So minus 2 upon 16 minus 1 upon 16. Now here the denominator is same, that is 16. So I can easily subtract the numerator. So minus 2 minus 1 upon 16, which comes to be minus 3 upon 16. RHS equals to 3 upon 8 minus bracket 2 upon 4 minus 1 upon 16. Now LCM of 4 and 16 is 16. So I need to multiply 2 upon 4 by 4. So 3 upon 8 minus bracket 2 upon 4 multiply by 4 minus 1 upon 16. So 3 upon 8 minus bracket 4 to the 8, 4 into 4 16. So 8 upon 16 minus 1 upon 16. So 3 upon 8 minus 7 upon 16. Now here the LCM of 8 and 16 is 16. Again I have to multiply 3 upon 8 by 2. So 3 into 2 upon 8 into 2 minus 7 upon 16. So 3 to the 6 upon 16 minus 7 upon 16. So 6 minus 7, that is minus 1 upon 16. Now again here LHS I got minus 3 upon 16. RHS I got minus 1 upon 16. Are they same? No. Hence LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore minus 3 upon 16 not equal to minus 1 upon 16. Rational numbers are not associative under subtraction. Now we will start with the properties of multiplication. The first property, closure property. Example, minus 3 upon 7 into 5 upon 8. So let's multiply minus 3 upon 7 into 5 upon 8. So minus 3 into 5, that is minus 15 upon 7 into 8, that is 56. So when two rational numbers are multiplied, the result is always a rational number. This property is called closure property. The next property, commutative property. The example, 7 upon 9 into 3 upon 8 equals to 3 upon 8 into 7 upon 9. So let's check with LHS and RHS. LHS, 7 upon 9 into 3 upon 8. So 7 3s are 21. 9 into 8, that is 72. So I got answer 21 upon 72. RHS, 3 into 8 into 7 into 9. So 3 into 7, that is 21. 8 into 9, that is 72. So I got answer same. Yes. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. Rational numbers are commutative under multiplication. The third property, associative property. So 1 upon 3 into 2 upon 4 into 1 upon 2 equals to 1 upon 3 into bracket 2 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. So again let's start with LHS and RHS. So bracket 1 upon 3 into 2 upon 4 bracket close into 1 upon 2. So 1 into 2, that is 2. 3 into 4, that is 12. So 2 into 2 upon 12 into 1 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 12 twos are 24. So 2 ones are 2 12s are. So 1 upon 12. RH equals to 1 upon 3 into bracket 2 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. Now here 1 upon 3 into, we will solve the bracket first. 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8. So now again we will multiply with 1 upon 3. So 2 ones are 2, 3 into 8, that is 24. So 2 ones are 2 12s are 24. So I got answer 1 upon 12. As in LHS I got 1 upon 12. RHS also I got 1 upon 12. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Rational numbers are associative under multiplication. Multiplicative identity. If 5 upon 6 is multiplied by 1, what do we get? We get 5 upon 6 into 1, which is equals to 5 into 1 upon 6, which is equals to 5 upon 6. So 1 is called the multiplicative identity in rational number. Multiplicative inverse of reciprocal. A rational number, say 3 upon 5, there exists a rational number which when multiplied by 3 upon 5 will give the product 1. That number is 5 upon 3. So what do we mean by reciprocal or multiplicative inverse? 3 upon 5, the reciprocal of 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 3. So when we multiply 3 upon 5 with 5 upon 3, we get answer 3 5 is a 15 upon 5 into 3, that is also 15. So 15 upon 15, which is equals to 1. This new number is called the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of that number. So 5 upon 3 is the reciprocal of 3 upon 5 and vice versa. The sixth property, reciprocal in exponential form. A reciprocal of a number is written in two ways. The reciprocal of 3 can be written as 1 upon 3 or 3 inverse. 3 raised to minus 1 is the exponential form of 1 upon 3. Multiplication of rational number by 0. Consider the following example. 3 upon 8 into 0, which is equals to 3 into 0 upon 8. So 0 upon 8 is always 0. The next example, minus 4 upon 9 into 0, which comes to be minus 4 into 0 upon 9, which is 0 upon 9, which is equals to 0. So 0 upon any number is always 0. Take any rational number and multiply it with 0. You will always get 0 as the result. So this property is known as multiplication of rational number by 0. So students, I hope you all have understood the properties of subtraction and multiplication of rational number. So there is a small test based on it. Please try to solve it. Thank you.